Hey guys, I'm loading up for the day to go mowing, and I was gonna show you I need to change this blade out. It's probably has a little bit more life, but I like to change it out. So I'm gonna show you guys how I change it out, how easy it is. Look, it's got like some hair in there, some customer hair. But yeah, I'll show you that. And I hope you guys are having a great day. And sorry, I'm looking at this way, but it's over here. So where am I? So yeah, we're gonna do this. Alright guys, so I use my vise here. And then I'll use this tool a little bit later. And then there you go. So I just put it in there like that. It doesn't have to be super tight or anything. You know, just something to hold it. You honestly don't even have to use a vise, but I do. And then this one has a cotter pin. Oh, sorry, there you go. So undo the cotter pin. Just don't mind all the hair. I don't know why it collected all this hair. Guys, got it out. I'm gonna reuse it because it doesn't really, I don't even think you need it, honestly, but it's in there for a reason, so I'm gonna just reuse it. But I'm probably gonna eventually try it without it because my old weed eater, edger didn't have one. So does it really have it? Do you really have to have it? I don't know. So, and then you got this bolt here and it's reverse thread. So on your gun, I use the impact. But on your gun, you don't want to have it to, you don't want to have it to loosen. You want to have it to tighten because it's reverse. So, here you go. Nice and loose. And I take this off. Set her aside. Take the little collar part off. And then you're free. See, the head is free. Don't drop that like that. And this way, if it does fall out, you want it this way inside, right there. Okay? So then, watch out, these things can be kind of sharp. So right there you can see, like if that little thing catches your skin, that will be ouchy. So I buy these things in bulk. I think they're the Copperhead. They're pretty cheap. They last a while, and like you saw, I run them until they're basically done. That's just the thing I do. Now, if I have a property that's really overgrown or something, then I'll throw on a new one because you're just burning your time. But also, if it's overgrown, I may weed eat it first, like the edge, and then I'll come back with one of these. So I'm gonna put this on and show you guys. All right, so to put it on, you just take it, put it on, put your collar. Remember, see, that way it's dirty, that way it's clean. So of course the dirty side's gonna go there, and you wanna loosen it because it's reverse thread. So loosen, you're not really loosening it, you just have the setting on loosen, or if it's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, with a, wrench or something. And I put it on there. Now, if you can't get it off or it's being a pain, there is a little hole in there. So you line up this part with the hole, and then if you have to, you can use your tool to hold the whole thing still. But you really don't have to. I've never had an issue. Then you put the cotter pin back in, which I think it's optional. Now, you probably want to not reuse it. but I am. So there you go. Brand new edger blade.